Libra, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for October 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services hanggang September 2025. So if you're interested, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading. So maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. What's the energy for Libra? October 2025 monthly energies for Libra. Okay, this is your overall energy, challenge, opportunity, blessing. Uy, ang ganda ng blessing. Merong success. Oo. Yung iba sa inyo may blessing of travel or sasakyan. Ayan, makakabili kayo ng sasakyan. You have the King of Pentacles, bottom of the deck. This is about stability in your finances. Maaring merong business opportunity for you or yung iba kayo ay mapopromote sa trabaho. You have the Eight of Cups, the Hanged Man, and the King of Swords. Meron kang major decision na gagawin, especially sa career, sa business, or sa trabaho mo, na iiwanan mo tong sitwasyon na to because you feel like hindi na to nag-a-align sa goal mo, no? Maaring you're feeling stuck or merong mas magandang opportunity elsewhere na talaga namang masasabi mo na buti na lang pala may ginawa kang movement, may ginawa kang change. Yan, kasi there's a blessing for you here na yung decision making mo na yon ay makakabuti para sa'yo. Maaring meron kang, maaring you're taking a leap of faith, no? Kumbaga, maaring ikaw ay nagre-risk dito pero well-calculated risk naman to. This is an offer, no? Merong offer for you na to explore other options, other opportunities. Yung iba, maaari kasing hindi na maganda yung estado ng career mo, trabaho mo, or business mo. And then, itong opportunity na to, timing lang talaga, no? Na dumating sa'yo. And, kumbaga, na lahat nag-align kasi ikaw ay interesado rin, excited ka rin, and you are also open for changes and risks. So, kaya siya naging, kaya nangyari. You have the Six of Cups, Page of Cups. Some of you, maaring may magre-reach out from your past. I don't know kung ikaw ay interesado pa rito sa energy ng past, but I think you are moving on. Maaring gusto mo lang, magkakaroon lang ng closure. Oo. Overall energy is the King of Cups, someone na very compassionate, loving. Maaring person mo to, the person that you're dealing with, or someone that is close to you, or can be your energy as well na focus rin sa pag-aalaga sa sarili mo, sa mga mahal mo. I also see na meron kang namimiss, no? Itong person na namimiss mo malayo sa'yo, syempre. Pwedeng nasa abroad, oo. Pero pwedeng magkakaroon ng reconciliation. Or when I say reconciliation, magkikita kayo. Pwedeng long distance yung relationship ninyo. As a challenge, you have the World card here. So, maaring merong isang chapter sa buhay mo na nahihirapan kang i-close. Na parang hindi mo alam kung mag-move on ka na. But, the moment na mag-move on ka, doon na magiging mabilis yung mga pangyayari, no? Doon na magkakaroon ng opportunity sa'yo. Kasi finally, yung pumipigil sa'yo ay tinanggal mo na, no? Kumbaga, parang siyang blockage, no? Nakaharang sa harap mo. So, pag natanggal yung harang na yan, di ba, abante ka na. Ganon. And then, your opportunity is the Page of Wands. This is about going on an adventure, exciting opportunities ahead. Mas nagiging malakas yung loob mo na mag-explore ng iba pang options. And I feel like there is also someone na nagbibigay sa'yo ng guidance or help na kumbaga hindi ka nag-iisa dito sa adventure na to, sa goal na to. And then, your blessing is This is about a decision na masasabi mo na tama yung decision mo. Yun nga, maaring clarity rin to sa kaguluhan ng isip mo na alam mo na kung ano yung best para sa'yo. And then, sa material na bagay, maaring may stuck na energy na finally, mag-move forward na. Let's say, may inaasikaso kang trabaho or business or may hinihintay ka na taong makakausap mo dapat or something like an information or news, balita na hinihintay mo dahil ito ay may malaking ambag sa plano mo na hindi ka makakakilos hanggat wala yung go signal. So, maaring yan ay darating na ngayong October. Money, career, finances. Let's see. Money, career, finances. You have the Knight of Swords. Meron kang kakausapin or makakausap na medyo mahirap kausap. Pwede magkakaroon ng, let's say, argument or conversation with someone sa trabaho, sa business, sa career mo na pwedeng magpapataasan kayo kung sinong mas magaling, ganun. Or there's an important conversation na kailangan mong gawin. Pagkikita, meeting sa trabaho, sa business, or sa career. Uy, may upgrade. Oo. It's time to level up o nagle-level up ka. Your career status is getting an upgrade very soon. Merong promotion sa trabaho mo. Keep the momentum going. So, pwedeng may interview, no? Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng ibang trabaho, tapos yung may interview, and I think itong interview na to ay ma-ace mo. Kumbaga, magiging maayos yung interview mo. And merong job offer na masasabi mo na upgrade siya from your previous career or job. And then sa love life, oh, okay. Some of you, maaring love life ay medyo challenging. Pwedeng may nag-away dito, nagkaroon ng misunderstanding. Kaya, merong dumidistansya muna. Oh, okay. Yung iba merong pregnancy. Oo, tapos maaring yun yung pinagtataluhan na paano na lang yung mga gastusin, 'di ba? Kasi pag nanganak or may pregnancy, magastos lalo na pag may bata na. Oh, okay. Okay. Some of you, Libra, hindi naman para sa lahat, but I feel like meron kang matutuklasan na another third party situation na maaring may pregnancy. Oo, syempre hindi naman mag-resonate sa lahat yan. So, kung hindi yan energy ng connection ng relationship mo, then it's not for you. Ganun lang yon. Okay? Self-love, you are going to focus on improving yourself. Pag-aalaga sa iyong sarili. You also have compassion. Compassion sa mga tao sa paligid mo and also sa sarili mo na rin. Alam mo yung needs mo. Alam yung mga pangangailangan mo. And then you're going to be there for yourself. It doesn't mean na selfish ka. Ang importante lang doon is minamahal mo yung sarili mo dahil kapag mahal mo yung sarili mo, capable ka rin magmahal ng iba. You have the healer energy. You're healing from your past. You're healing from your experiences. And I also see na ikaw rin mismo ay tumutulong rin sa iba na makapag-heal. Pwedeng ikaw ay nagbibigay ng advice sa mga mahal mo sa buhay or sa mga taong nakakasalamuha mo. Na itong advice na to ay nakakatulong sa kanila, no? Para makapag-desisyon ng best for them. You have Mars in Aries in the first house. Maaring meron kang desisyon na mamadaliin mo or tipong hindi mo pag-iisipan. Be careful, no? Kasi pwedeng pagsisihan mo yun. You have Mars in Virgo in the 6th house. Yeah, I feel like yung iba sa inyo, Libra, pwedeng magkaroon talaga ng misunderstanding sa trabaho. Pwedeng katrabaho mo to or boss mo na magkaroon ng conflict. So, make sure lang din na, wag ka magpapadala sa emosyon mo. Oo. Mag-isip munang maigi bago mag-take ng action. You have Venus in Venus in Gemini in the 3rd house. Venus is the planet of love, affection. Maaring meron kayong admirer. Isang kaibigan or someone that is close to you, pwedeng maaari ring meron kayong gustong pasuking negosyo or investment with a family member, like extended family, tito, tita, ganyan. Pero kailangan mong pag-isipan muna kung okay ka doon. Kasi baka hindi mag-work tapos masira lang yung connection or relationship ninyo. Let them go. So, maaring maila-let go ka. Anything that is no longer serving your highest good. Some of you, no, medyo challenging, but it's part of your self-love na kung itong sitwasyon na to or tao na to ay nakakasira na sa'yo, then it's time to let that go and heal yourself and focus on taking care of yourself, diba? Okay, so that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.